Well, it's finally arrived. I think I ordered this 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. So I like this. Safe on aluminum. And baked iron carbon from all kinds of crap like this. Directions. Pour it on, wait, and then take it off. And again, there it is. Nicely dented from Amazon, so thank you for that. And without any further ado, let's give this a shot and see how it turns out. I'm gonna try it a little bit on the back part. God damn it. On the back part. So, yeah. I mean, some paint's already taken off, so, no big deal. We'll find out. Okay. Nitrile gloves. Unused brush. And I'm going to pour just a little bit on this thing. Damn it. Well. Oh, it's kind of goopy. Ooh. What an odor. Oh, holy shit. It's like ammonia. Honestly, this stuff smells like a kitty litter that hasn't been cleaned out in too long. Okay, well, I'm going to put this down. We're going to wait a little bit. See what happens. Okay, it's coming off here, where it's thinner, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna get this closer. It's actually making sounds. This is awesome. Just zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's cool! That's real time, not sped up. Fuck yeah! I'm gonna see if I can get this closer so you can hear it. Okay, so that last clip was about 11 minutes long in real time. I'm going to do some video magic and speed it up so it goes faster, but you can see that, holy shit, this stuff is awesome. No effort against that. Oh, look at that. You know, well, it's probably a good thing that I am stripping this, because I'm almost certain. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna say one layer under the red is the I guess the primer coat. Just drop some on my floor. I don't want to necessarily fuck up the floor, because, you know, floors are important. Look at that. I'm going to pause right quick. Okay, well, Rob, God damn it, you were right, dude. This stuff is tons better than that other crap I bought at freaking big box hardware store. Jesus Christ. Aside from a strong ammonia smell at the very beginning, what I smell now is nothing. I don't smell anything. Obviously, it took down the red. You can see there's the primer coat. Here's the primer coat, and there's bare metal. And then to neutralize this, I just need to wash. So, wow. Isn't that something? Boy, that really, yeah. So I'm gonna strip it. I'm gonna strip it. Yep. I'm gonna use chemical stripper and get all this crap off. It sure as hell beats a mechanical device, i.e. a sander or an angle grinder, to take all that crap off. Oh God, God. You know what? Let's try. Let us try some of this gray stuff that I think is epoxy primer. I think. Pause. Okay, so thank you, Outback, for giving me a melamine container. And as you can see, you can see too well, this stuff really is goopy. So it's got the consistency of an egg yolk, if not more. It's almost a gel, but not quite. So I'm almost certain this gray stuff here is epoxy. Let's see how we do with it. Okay, that's a good amount. And look, you can see that even on the almost vertical surface, it's not falling down too much. So, boy, this is oh. So here's the deal. In order for me to, okay, this is 6 minutes in, and I do believe I see I do see a reaction. Hell yeah. Okay, so obviously there's a reaction there. I'll be able to scrape that off. I'm going to edit out all my out loud thinking. I have a few things I want to do to my garage, and in preparation for this, to strip the rest of what you see off. Because what I want to do is strip everything at one point, in one fell swoop, and then wash it in my driveway washing it needs water, of course, and I sure as hell don't want to put a whole bunch of water onto my my garage floor. And so I need to, 1, put down plastic, 2, build the scaffold like I did with my Roadster so I can move the body around back and forth, etc. Then I take the body off. I'm ready to do that, as you can see. I've already got those holders there. Ready to pull the body off, put it on the scaffold that I create, and then coat the entire thing with this carbon off. Everything. To include the interior. Get all the old paint off. And then, once it's washed and neutralized, take it back inside the garage where I can put either a space heater or something in it so I've got as much water off the thing as possible, and then immediately, like the next day or something, spray everything with epoxy primer. Okay, so I've got to order more. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so I'll just get that from Summit. Summit Racing. So I am indescribably impressed and happy. I can literally coat my entire car with this crap and then go to bed, and then the next morning scrape it, and so forth. So I'll tell you, this sure as hell beats mechanical removal. All right, let's give that a shot. Wow. Well, if this is indeed, actually no kidding, epoxy, like I think it is, this gray stuff, I'll really need to be careful with my garage floor because I've got a epoxy coating. Wipe that off. Yep. I think if I left it alone and let it soak, like I'm going to anyway, I'll get even a better response. Christ. So the other side that I mechanically stripped, Jesus Christ, I think that took me 7 hours total? And that was just what you're looking at, plus the inner fenders of both sides. I'll still need to do that because I see a lot of undercoating or the rubberized crap I'll have to take off. That'll be a bitch. But the rest of it, plus all of this, plus all of that, everything that you see is gray, this stuff will just eat it right off. Fucking A-Diddy bag. Wow, what a boon. What a boon. All right, well, that's it. I'm going to post this. So, again, carbon off. Got it from Amazon. Something that Rob had recommended. And now, Rob, maybe you'll sell me some fiberglass fenders, proving you're right.